Food processor secrets professionals use. Time-saving hacks. Hey there, kitchen friends! Ever wonder how restaurant kitchens pump out perfectly chopped vegetables at lightning speed? Or why their hummus is always silkier than yours? Today I'm spilling the beans on professional food processor secrets that will revolutionize your prep time. Before we dive in, imagine cutting your prep time in half. Picture getting restaurant-quality results from the food processor you already own. Sounds amazing, right? Let's make it happen. The problem. Let's start with what's probably happening in your kitchen right now. Unevenly chopped vegetables, hummus that's never quite smooth enough, pie crusts that turn out tough, a food processor that sits unused most of the time. Cleaning that takes longer than the actual processing. Don't worry, we've all been there. But here's why these issues are costing you more than just time and frustration. The professional secrets. 1. The pulse power method. Here's how pros get perfect texture every time. Start with 1-second pulses. Count your pulses. Yes, really. Never hold the button down continuously. Check after every 3 to 4 pulses. Pro tip: different ingredients need different numbers of pulses. Onions, 4 to 5 pulses. Nuts, 6 to 8 pulses. 2. The loading strategy. The order matters more than you think. Cut ingredients into uniform sizes. Fill only 50 to 75% capacity. Add harder ingredients first. Layer from bottom to top. Pro tip: for perfect chopped herbs, make sure they're completely dry before processing. 3. The temperature hack. Temperature affects your results dramatically. Cold butter for pastry. Room temp for purees. Chilled blade for herbs. Frozen fruit for sorbets. Pro tip: keep an extra bowl and blade in the freezer for last-minute cold prep. The speed secret. Different speeds for different needs. High, emulsifications, mayo, dressings. Medium, chopping vegetables. Low, kneading dough. Pulse, precise texture control. Pro tip: start slower than you think you need. You can always process more, but you can't unprocess. 5. The blade selection system. Pros never guess which blade to use. S-blade. General chopping, pureeing, shredding disc. Long vegetables, cheese, slicing disc. Uniform circles, dough blade, pastry, and bread. Pro tip: the plastic dough blade isn't just for show, it prevents overprocessing. 6. The professional clean. Here's the lightning-fast cleaning method. Rinse immediately after use. Use hot water and soap solution, pulse to clean, dry upside down. Pro tip: keep a dedicated brush for cleaning under the blades. Time-saving techniques. Professional prep shortcuts. 1. Rough chopping. Cut ingredients into 1-inch pieces. This ensures even processing, prevents motor strain, saves time in the long run. 2. Batch processing. Prep similar ingredients together. Process from lightest to darkest. Store prepped ingredients properly. Label with date and contents. 3. Multitasking magic. Use processing time to clean up. Prep next ingredients while processing. Have storage containers ready. Plan your sequence. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. The overfilling trap. Never exceed the liquid fill line. Leave room for movement. Start with less than you think. Add gradually if needed. 2. The texture troubles. Overprocessing. Uneven ingredient sizes. Wrong blade choice. Incorrect speed selection. 3. The cleaning catastrophes. Letting food dry on. Submerging the base. Dishwasher damage. Blade dulling professional applications. Here's what pros use their processors for. 1. Quick prep work. Chopped vegetables, minced garlic, grated cheese, breadcrumbs. 2. Homemade basics. Nut butters, fresh mayo, pesto sauce, hummus. 3. Baking helpers, pie crusts, cookie doughs, nut flours, cream fillings. Bonus pro tips. Secret techniques. Add ice water through the feed tube for perfectly emulsified dressings. Use the pulse feature to prevent heat buildup. Process hard cheese when cold, soft cheese when room temp. Clean sticky residue with lemon juice and salt. Troubleshooting guide. Common issues solved. Motor struggling? Reduce quantity. Uneven results? Check blade sharpness. Leaking? Check seal placement. Strange noise? Stop and check for obstacles. Taking action. Start with these 3 steps. 1. Clean your processor thoroughly. 2. Practice the pulse technique. 3. Try one new application daily. Your food processor isn't just another appliance, it's your secret weapon for professional-level prep work. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you want more professional kitchen secrets, hit that subscribe button and join our community of home chefs mastering professional techniques. Quick question, what's your favorite food processor hack? Let us know in the comments. Remember to like this video and click the notification bell to stay updated with more kitchen pro tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll tackle another kitchen challenge together.